Hi, welcome to day 6 of the How to Attract Anything challenge. Today we are going to go into the being portion. Up until now we've been creating everything that we wanted. Now we need to start to elevate ourselves and our emotions in a way that we become a magnet of how to attract anything. So being optimistic is the session on today. A lot of us, because of our realism, have become very pessimistic towards life. I'm so jinxed, I'm so unlucky, this is not going to happen for me, I know I'm not the kind who can attract anything. So we've been saying these sentences for so long that now all of that has gone and settled in our DNA. We have to change that. We have to become inversely paranoid. What does that mean? We have to truly from our heart start to believe that the universe is conspiring to give us whatever it is that we want. So the sentence we're going to use day in, day out is that the universe is actually trying to give us what it is that we want. So when you say it like this: I am so happy or joyful that the universe is doing everything it can to give me what it is that I want. So whenever things go right in your environment or things go wrong in your environment, I want you to connect it to the fact that the universe is creating space for the new thing that you want to attract. Sometimes what happens, we want to attract a vase and that old vase we can't find. And either the vase breaks or something happens to that vase and we think, oh my god, that's such a bad luck. I've been wanting more of this and I'm not even able to keep the one I have. No, it's actually the universe just creating space for the new vase to come in. So this is just a very odd example for you to start to understand how it works. You will not be able to judge whether something has gone wrong or right, because when the universe is trying to put everything together, you will only be able to connect the dots in hindsight. You will be able to look at that thing and say, oh, this is why this has happened that time, because God wanted to send this into my life. Let's say you want to attract a beautiful relationship and right now you're not in a great relationship, you're in some toxic relationship. Will this relationship need to break for the new one to come? Yes. But you have to remain inversely paranoid, which means when it breaks, you have to believe that it's happened for the best. I have conditioned my mind over the last 15 years to be inversely paranoid. It doesn't matter what happens in my life, I will only look at the glass half full, never the half empty. And I can tell you, because my intention is always of positive, I receive a lot more positive than most people. You can do the same, you just need to train your brain. And we are going to be spending a lot of time in the coming days actually training your brain scientifically, where your biochemistry will change into a positive hormone or a chemical that helps you attract anything you want. But till then, just start to work on this. So I want you to write a sentence below where you are going to say this affirmation every day around how the universe is working for you, not against you. So create your own sentence, whatever that means. You know, in one of Shah Rukh Khan's movie, he has Puri Kainat मेरे लिए काम कर रही है. That kind of a sentence you need to create, where truly you believe from your heart that everything that's going to happen from today onwards is only going to be there because they want to serve your desire.